Hello, assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to Dish with Lady Bilky. Today we're going to be making cilantro butter chicken. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a full chicken here, and I'm just gonna cut it from the back to keep it flat. So I'm just gonna cut side by side to just get this bulky breast meat, some way to get the marination into the meat. As you can see, we're going to be making the marination. This is a chili powder, this is onion powder, this is all-purpose Goya, and this is another all-purpose Goya. And that is ginger powder, and that is a chicken cube. This is chicken cube again, none, and that is salt. And we're going to be adding some vegetable oil. So this is the mixture, and I'm going to be dressing the chicken with it. So I'm trying to adjust my camera to make sure that you can see everything that I'm doing. Trying to make sure that both part of the chicken is coated with the marination. So this is our chicken right now, and I preheated my oven because I really need this to bake faster, so I preheated my oven to 400 degrees, and after 40 minutes that's how the chicken looks like. So now we're going to make the sauce. I'm just using half of tomatoes and a little slice of bell peppers, and then the chili peppers and 4 cloves of garlic. Just going to crush them with this hand mixer. So this is our sauce, grinded tomatoes and the chili. We're gonna keep this aside. Then I'm going to be cutting the cilantro as well. So in my pan, I'm adding vegetable oil, a little bit of vegetable oil, and I'm gonna add butter. This is the grinded chili and the tomatoes, the garlic. If you are, I just realized when I was making this that I was out of onions. So if you have onion with you while you're making this dish, please blend it as well. Try to crush it together with the chili as well. If you want onions in the recipe, I usually add the onions, but I'm out of it right now. So I added black peppers, and I'm adding some chicken cube, and I'm adding honey, I'm adding lemon juice. So the honey and the lemon juice and cilantro mixture together, it's amazingly tastes good. So I'm just adding just a little bit of water to just make sure my sauce is not too thick to run onto the chicken. And I'm adding curry powder at the last minute. So I'm not gonna let this cook a lot because I don't want my cilantro to overcook. I really want it to stay as fresh as possible. As you can see, this is how our baked chicken look like. So I'm trying to drain the excess water. If you are going to be making a stew or a jollof rice in the short time, you can use this chicken juice to make it. So this is our sauce going into the chicken one more time. This looks yummy already. Can you see? So please, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video to come. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.